Introducing the Flexi Tough EB HFFR wire and EB Plus power cable by MARC. Our innovative Ebeam technology creates a robust foundation built to withstand extreme heat. The safety you can trust. Engineered for exceptional performance, unmatched power delivery, enhanced power transmission for higher electrical load, durable performance ensured by advanced Ebeam technology, no short circuit with superior protection against electrical faults, reliability you can count on for decades. Flexi Tough EB wires are engineered to withstand the test of time. Sustainable efficiency. Safety assurance in every aspect of life. Powering a greener future responsibly. Visit our website to learn more.